If you're getting this generator error on your KOReader, and this occurs on Kobo devices, the error says kfmon error checking, and then provides a directory here with no such file or directory. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now this error which you see which say generator error, this usually happens after a Kobo firmware update because the update disables or removes kfmon, which KOReader depends on it to launch. Now your KOReader itself is probably fine, kfmon just isn't running anymore. Now to fix this issue, you'll need to reinstall kfmon. This is the most common solution. Now the reinstall kfmon guide can be provided through this GitHub page. I'll put the link on the description of this video. As they say here, KOReader can be installed in multiple ways, some of which will be detailed below in order of simplicity and compatibility. Most users should stick to the first one, which relies on a semi-automated install script, which is this one. So this link will be available on the description of this video. This will help you reinstall kfmon. Or if you don't know how to use this semi-automated install script, you can try other methods like manual installation method, alternative manual installation method, and other options which have been provided here. Or you can check on YouTube videos. If you go to Google and search for install kfmon, there are lots of guides can help you install KOReader and nickel menu on your Kobo device. Or you can try this method, which I normally use. You can download kfmon with this version here, zip, which will be available on the link here. I'll provide the link on the description of this video. So once you go to this page here, make sure to download this zip file. So you can scroll down. You'll see this kfmon, this one, which is a just like 959 KB. So after downloading it, then make sure to download it on your PC. Now connect the Kobo e-reader to your computer using a USB cable. On the screen of the Kobo will appear a request to connect to your computer using a USB cable. Approve this request. Extract the contents of this file which you've downloaded as a zip file into the root folder of the Kobo. So extract the contents that you've downloaded to your computer. Make sure to extract this zip file. After extracting, now you need to put them on the root folder of the Kobo. After that, eject the Kobo. Some stuff will now start installing on the Kobo. The Kobo now turns off. Restart the Kobo, KOReader works again. So make sure to try this method if maybe this one is too complicated for you. But I'm sure this will be easier since most of people have found that the first method, which is semi-automated installation method, is easier to them. So try this method and let me know in the comment section if it helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.